What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 altcoins that could 15x in the next 90 days. All right. So I have 3 altcoins. 1 you might not be so familiar with. 2 you should be pretty familiar with. But we got a lot of potential in these altcoins. All right. So let's just get into it. With my first one, it's called Truflation. All right. Maybe you've heard of it. Maybe you haven't. Doesn't have a lot of history because it's kind of new. So that's why we can easily get the jump out on it. All right. I already have the chart marked up for this one because I was doing my research earlier. And just a little bit about this, if you don't really know much about this. So this was launched on April 9th, which was last month. And in a span of 24 hours, this thing had pumped over 642%. And we've seen it at close to $1 already since the launch. So huge potential. A lot of people are getting familiar with it and starting to purchase it, which is causing it to go up a little bit. And as of just today, as we can see right here, it's almost up 11%. That's just today. Yes, it had a huge pump, as we can see right here. And then it went up even higher, but then it came back down. That is part of the game. Anything that goes up will come back and retrace a little bit. It can't just go up forever and ever and ever without correcting itself just a little bit. All right. So what you're looking at right here is just a little bit of a chart breakdown that I have for you. I'm going to break it down for you so that's really easy. If you're not familiar with what you can see right here. So basically, I just have this line right here. These dots connecting to show you market structure. How do we know if it's going up, if it's going down? Just a little bit of market structure so you understand. So what you're looking at right here is a small downtrend, but nothing major. We have right here is a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low. Lower high and then lower low right here. That's common, easy market structure. And that's something that can help us, look and see the direction. What I have right here is a area of support that it has made in a short period of time that it has been around. And it seems that it's respecting it a little bit. So I kind of marked out another area of support where it had a little bit of trouble, which was this was the resistance right here that I marked up. That I can see all the way across. Once you get a feel and start looking at the charts, you'll be able to easily market for charts. And what I was going to say is this is an area of resistance, which is really key in what could be a reversal in the market as of right now. As we can see, I have also a trend line showing us that we are going up as of right now. We broke the latest lower high, which means a possible reversage. And like I said, we've seen this thing go to 90, almost $1. And it's broke this, which lets us know probably the price is reversing and about to start pumping again. So you see this video today, I advise you to get in right now because you never know what this thing can do. I mean, by tomorrow, it could be at $1. We've seen how crazy this coin has actually pumped in a really small span of time. So don't miss out, I'm telling you. It's really cheap right now. It's 57 cents right now at the time of this video. So take a risk on it. Next coin. We all know this coin. If you are in the Bitcoin community, it is Avalanche. This coin has a lot more history than what we just looked at. And actually, just this week, it's over about 12%. It's a little over 12%, and that's just this week. Current price is sitting at $36. We've seen it all the way up to about $65. So we're getting it at a discount. That is the name of the game. Get it at a discount, ride it back up. Also, another key thing to take note of right now that may not have been put out, but this is really important because a lot of the big crypto whales that have a lot of crypto, they have about $2.1 billion worth of Avalanche right now in their portfolios. A lot of them do. So lets us know they see a little something in this that maybe we don't see or not looking at. And we always like to follow the big money guys, all right? Because they can tank it or they can pump it. We want to be with them. We don't want to go against them. But anyways, what I have marked up right here, we're on a 2-hour time frame. I have a little bit of support and resistance marked up. Actually, I'll mark up this one too because it's a pretty strong one as well, as we can see. As of right now, I mean, looking at the overall, we are still in an uptrend. We kind of moved sideways a little bit in the past few days, but we still are in an uptrend. But with Bitcoin possibly making a big move soon, could cause this thing to do undescribable things. See undescribable prices. Right now, we are kind of rejecting off of a important resistance level, possibly coming back down here, but we can see that this support holds pretty strong. As you can see, price can't even close below it. Wick, even getting closer. Wick. We ain't even seen price close below it in, I don't know, it's been a while. Really strong area of support. So I mean, it don't even have to come back down because there's even a really, if you look closer, you can see even something sharper right here. And that's just from me reading the chart so many years. I'm actually able to point out the smaller ones as well. You can see we got a little bit of support right there. So we could even come right here, bounce, and take off. The moment we break right here, I can almost guarantee you probably come to this one right here because this is a huge gap in the market. Otherwise known as a fair value gap. And we have to see this fill in the market for price to continue what it's doing. So definitely it could be pumping, and we could see this thing, reach $100 or more, $100, $150, $200. That's why I'm saying this could take a 15x turn in the next 90 days. Anyways, on to my last and final coin, which you should be pretty familiar with as well, is Solana. All right. And just over the last few days on Solana, the price is up over 7%. Yes, we are down a little bit on today, not even a percent, like a 0.72%. So we're not down on it too much, but also, it does fluctuate a little bit. But I got some great news for you. Since last October, this thing has went up 600%, over 600%. That's insane. And like I said, a lot of these altcoins follow Bitcoin almost step for step in the way that they like to move. All right. Another key information. Franklin Templeton, a leading investment firm with over 1.5 trillion in assets, they predict that Solana has the potential to probably be the third largest cryptocurrency in the market right now. So let that sink in a little bit. All right. Think about how many cryptocurrencies we have right now. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, a lot of the big names I just named, but this could start passing, and it's still cheap. $150. If you think about it in small terms, remember when Bitcoin was like less than $1? Everybody thought, no, it's not going to do anything, this, that, and a third. And it's seen $70,000. So if you would have invested just a couple dollars, you'd be sitting nice right now. But let's just look into the charts a little bit. As we can see, just from scrolling out a little bit, we're in an uptrend. Small downtrend, but the overall picture says we're going up right now. We are at a key level of resistance. I will point this out for you. All right. We are at near, and we have a strong area of support right there. Very easy. We can even mark the high right here. All right. Because we've seen this thing. Look at this. We've seen this thing at $209. I mean, this thing has crazy potential. As of right now and today, you can see that it's at a level of resistance that it has rejected in the past few days, and it looked like it might be rejecting again right now. But as we can see, we have a really strong area of support, so we're not really worried about it. If we break through here, we're probably going to go through here and maybe mess around a little bit in here, and then we're just going to continue. But you never know. That's the thing about Bitcoin. The thing about cryptocurrency. you have to, do a little bit of research, see what everybody else is saying when wanting to invest in these, and follow the big money. The big money moves the market when in terms of cryptocurrency. This is also a big name cryptocurrency, like I said. This isn't, some small meme coin that was created yesterday. This has a little bit of history, a little bit of reputation of what it can do, what it has seen, and people are a little bit more comfortable in putting their money in this. As we know, the Bitcoin halving was not too long ago, so we could be seeing some crazy things. Bitcoin could hit $100,000 in the next month. Let that sink in. $100,000 in the next month. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Like I said, I post content daily, maybe 1 to 2 videos. I've been posting 2 videos, but it just varies based on my schedule. But 1 to 2 videos per day, giving you updates on all the cryptos, a lot of everything, finance related in general. But thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Also, thank you guys again for 800 subscribers. We are going to continue to grow and continue to keep you guys updated. Thank you so much.